Oh, beautiful day in this neighborhood. A beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Please be mine. Hello, Home Warrior Nation. And we are back with another physical education at-home challenge. And today, we're going to be focusing on boxing. So, let's get ready. Let's go. Let's do this. Okay, Home Warrior Nation. Today, we're going to play a game where we're going to be focusing on our reflexes, on our speed, on our eye-hand coordination. And you have to ask yourself that same question. Are you ready to become the heavyweight champion of physical education in your home? And if you are, then you know what time it is. It's time to get in the right mode where we face our fears, we overcome obstacles, and we remember that hard work always leads to victory. It's time for warrior mode time. Let's do this. That's better. All right, boys and girls. And now it's time to begin the activity. So let's go. All right, home warriors. And now we are ready for our challenge. So we have our item. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to get into our boxing stance. First thing we're going to do is take your hand you write with. I'm a righty, so I'm going to bring my right hand back. That's my power hand. And then when we get into a boxing stance, like any sports, you always want your knees slightly bent. And the reason why is because it just allows us to move quickly and it allows us to react to things faster. You don't ever want to stand stiff in any sport. So we get into our stance, and this is the activity. You're going to practice first, and then you're going to challenge yourself by timing yourself. So we're practicing 3 different punches. We're practicing our jab. Right, we're going to practice our jab, we're going to practice our cross, and then we're going to practice our hook. We're going to practice our hook. Now, when we're practicing these moves, here's how the game is incorporated. You're going to take your item, you're going to toss it in the air. You don't want to catch it when it's up, you don't want to catch it on the way down, you want to try to catch it, right, when you're going straight at it and grabbing it. So it looks something like this. So let's practice on our jabs. I'm going to do 5 quick jabs. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to practice our cross. Here we go. 1, 2, and I'm always using my front, the hand that's in the front to throw the item up. 3, 4, one more, 5. And now I'm going to practice my hook. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, once I did 5 to get used to it, I can then practice the other side, right? So I'm going to turn now I'm going to put my left hand in the back, right? Now this might be a little harder at times because I use my right hand more often, but that's actually a good thing to do, both sides, because we want to work out both parts of our body. And again, same concept. Our jab, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we do our cross. Oop, not good. Here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now our hook. Whoop, too far. I come back, get ready. Not good, too high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, so that was 5 on each side. 3 punches, our jab, our cross, and our hook. Now, when you're comfortable with that, you can also make it more challenging by getting those paper towels, or if you have a light ball at home. Now again, here's going to be more difficult because chances are you're going to miss it a lot more often, but that's fine because it just allows you to get more cardiovascular exercise during the activity. But it kind of looks something like this. Here's what a jab would look like, right? So I toss it up, boom, and I lift it, then I come back, and I try again. Oh, once again, I come back, and we're going to jab, once again, and again I come back, focus, and boom. Either way, boys and girls, I think my hands are a little slippery. If I was doing a cross, or if I was doing a hook, right? Or let's try one more time, see if it works this time. If I was doing a jab. Now, again, this is gonna be obviously a lot harder. Okay, Home Warrior Nation, so it's time for the challenge. Get your mom or dad's cell phone or use your iPad, your laptop. You can either go to YouTube and put 1 minute timer or use the timer that comes on most phones. And you're going to either do 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or 1 minute. I prefer 30 seconds. What you're going to do is you're going to time yourself for each punch with each hand and see how many you can do, and then challenge someone in your house or challenge yourself the next day to see if you can do more. So I'll give you an example. I'm going to do now 15 seconds of a right cross. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to begin. Again, 15 seconds of a right cross. I'm going to begin. Okay, let me see. I'm going to begin right now. So again, how many can I do? 15 minutes of a right cross begins now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hey, that's it. That was 10. 12. So I got 12, boys and girls. Now again, I can always challenge myself by trying to do more, or if I think I've mastered using an item like a scarf, which is easier, I can always again find a light ball or paper towels and do the same thing and see if I can beat my record, if I can get faster, get more accurate. It's good for my reflexes. So that is the challenge, boys and girls. Find someone in your family to do it with you or do it by yourself. But either way, it is time. Let's go get it. Let's go do it. All right, boys and girls. So that was our boxing challenge of the day. I hope it's a fun activity that you can do with your family or by yourself. Either way, let me know in the comments below how it went, how well you did. Maybe you want to share your record and see if you could beat it 2 days from now or whenever you want. Either way, boys and girls, stay focused, stay fit, and remember, are you ready to become the heavyweight champion of your home? And if you are, then let's go get it.